Everyone, welcome to my channel TechWord. Today we will learn how to create security group on EC2 instance. So guys, please, before watching the video, please subscribe and like my channel so that you can receive my upcoming videos. Now open AWS website and click on sign into the console option. Now AWS sign in page open. Please sign in by the root user. Now this is sign in page. Put your email ID, click on next and put your password. Now you will see here AWS management console. Find the service EC2. Open your running instance. Now you will see below description. Now you see below description, and here you will see security group option. Now the pop-up, the security group to which the instance belong. A security group is a collection of firewall rules that restrict the network traffic for the instance. Click view rule to see the rules for the specific group. It is telling about security. The security group current applied on the EC2 instance. The click on the security group. If I will click on the security group, now you will see here security group ID, security group name, VPS. So please copy this security group. Copy this security group ID for future reference. In case if I want to create one or two more security group, then at that time you should know about the all instance related security group. Now we will see here how to change inbound and outbound traffic. This is inbound and this is outbound. So first we will know that what is the inbound and what is the outbound rules. Inbound rules, the inbound rules control the incoming traffic to your instance, and outbound rules control outgoing traffic from your EC2 instance. So guys, we will see here. Now we can see here SSH. Now SSH port is open 22. Now we will click on inbound rules and click on add rules. If I want to add other like SMTP, CIDR block, and save the rule. The same thing again if click what port you are required. If I HTTP click and save the rule, yeah, CIDR block save rules. Outbound security group rules successfully modified. Now guys, here the inbound and outbound rule. So how to create inbound and outbound rule? You can create like this. Okay, now we will see how to create a new security group. Now click on create security group. Now we will give the security group name like policy, description, client, machine, and this is VPS, virtual private cloud. So same thing here, we can configure inbound rule. First we will open SH port, then outbound rules, same thing we can do, but now I will just keep all traffic enable on outbound rule and create security group. Sorry, I think click here, security group. Now guys, you can see here our security group has been created successfully. Now next we will see so how to change security group on EC2 instance. So open your EC2 instance and select your EC2 instance and click on action, click on networking and change security group. So guys, now previously our security group was existing security group was server. Now if I want to change the security group, just we created policy, so I am selecting policy and assign security group. Now guys, you will see here, you can see here on description, now security group is policy, and you can see inbound rule for 422 open and outbound rule all. So guys, now this is the how to set security group on EC2 instance. So now the instance will be worked on this security group. Thank you for watching my channel TechWord. Now guys, please don't forget like and subscribe my channel.